Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about lesson 5, lesson number 5 from the book Ide 1. And the name of the chapter is Festival International, International Festival. So here we can see ladies and some kids are here. So there is a conversation in between them. So let's see what is the conversation. First is Salut, je m'appelle Aurélie et toi? Hello, I call myself Aurélie and you? Now the other person is replying Je m'appelle Oh no, je suis belge, tu es français? I call myself Arnold, I am Belgian. You are French? Oui, je suis français. Yes, I am French. Voici un drapeau français. Here is a flag of France. Ah, le drapeau français est tricolore. The flag of France is tricolor. Oui, il est bleu, blanc et rouge. Yes, it is blue, white and red. Now the second conversation is, Tu es espagnol? Are you Spanish? No. Je ne suis pas espagnol, je suis indien. No, I am not Spanish, I am Indian. Je suis Suisse. I am Swiss. Mais j'habite à Paris, but I live in Paris. And on the next page, we have Je suis allemand et vous? I am German. And you? Caroline et moi, nous sommes Canadiens. Caroline and me, we are Canadian. Voilà le professeur, il est américain. Here is the professor, he is American. Kevin, c'est Laura. Elle est Italian. Kevin, this is Laura. She is Italian. Salut Kevin. No, je suis étudiant à Genève. Hello Kevin. No, I am student in Geneva. Salut Laura. Tu habites à Rome. Hello Laura. Do you live in Rome? So this is the chapter. In this chapter, we have talked about nationalities here. And most importantly, we have talked about the verb être that we have done in the last chapter. If you have not learned that verb, you must learn that verb because that is very, very important verb. And all the sentence formations in this chapter is based on that verb. Here we have les articles définis, definite articles. What are the definite articles? Now we have les articles définis, definite articles. Now what are definite articles? Let's talk about it. What is a definite article? Definite articles are le, la, and apostrophe and les, and are the equivalent of the in English. In English, we have one definite article, the. In French, we have 4 definite articles, le, la, l'apostrophe, and les. Now, rules of definite articles. Le, le. Le comes before a masculine singular noun beginning with a consonant. For example, le chocolat. Because chocolat is a masculine noun, so we will use le with it. Next is la. La comes before a feminine singular noun beginning with a consonant. So glass is a feminine noun and la is feminine de. So this is la glass. Next, le and la. Drop their e and a before singular noun beginning with a vowel or a silent h to l apostrophe. For example, l'horloge. If you write down la horloge, it would be a wrong sentence. This one is correct and this would be a wrong sentence. Next is le and la change into le when there is plural noun. For example, les chocolats, les glaces, les horloge. We change the article into plural and noun into plural. Article plural, noun plural, article plural, and noun plural. So for feminine and masculine plural, there is single article, that is les. Next is la negation, negations. We add ne or n apostrophe before the vowel and pa after the verb to form a negative sentence. For example, il n'est pas français. He is not French. Je n'ai pas 5 ans. I am not 15 years old. If we talk about a positive sentence, it would be il est français. He is French, but if we are saying he is not French, then we will use il n'est français. Means he is not French. And next example is j'ai 5 ans. But if I say I am not 15 years old, then I will write je n'ai 5 ans. So this is what negation is all about. You have to put ne before the verb and pa after the verb. So now we are going to talk about numbers. From number 0 till 20, we have already learned. From 21 to 40, we are going to learn now. So where is 20, as you already know. And when we are talking about 21, 31, 41, etc., then we add a, means and, means 20 and 1. Same way, 30 and 1. Let's see the pronunciation of this. Where a, where deux, where trois, where quatre, where cinq, where six, where sept, where huit, where neuf, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then 40. This is the French counting. So just remember, for 21 and 31, there is a in between. 20 and 1, 21. 30 and 1, 31. Next, we have nationalities. So you have to learn the spellings of these nationalities and learn the masculine and feminine form. So here we have de quelle couleur est le drapeau? Identify a relay. What color is the flag? Identify and match. First is il est rouge, blanc, bleu avec des étoiles blanches. It is red, white, blue with some white stars. So it is number 3, red, white, blue, and with white stars. And when and here we have Cuba American, means it is an American flag. Next is il est rouge avec une grande étoile et 4 petites étoiles jaunes. Means it is red with 1 big star and 4 small yellow stars. So means it is this, it is red and 1 yellow big star and 4 small stars. And ils sont chinois. They are Chinese. It is a flag of China. Next is il est saffron, blanc, vert avec une chakra bleu. Means it is saffron, white, green with a blue chakra. This is a flag of India. So here is the flag. And the answer for this is this. Je suis Indien, I am Indian. And next is il est bleu avec des croix rouges et blanches. It is blue avec the red cross with white. So this is this flag, and it is answer is this. Il est anglais. It is the France of England. And next is il est rouge, jaune, rouge. It is red, yellow, and red. So it is this flag, and this is from Vous êtes Espagnol? We are Spanish. It is the flag of Spain. And next is il est vert, blanc, rouge. It is green, white, and red. So this is this one, green, white, and red. And the answer for this is elle est Italienne. She is Italian. And next is il est noir, rouge, or. It is noir, rouge, and gold. So the answer for this is 6. Nous sommes allemands. We are German. And last is il est bleu, blanc, rouge. It is blue, white, and red. It is this, and elles sont français. They are French. So this is the answer for this. Here I have written all the answers of this question. You can note it down. So let's see what we have next. And this we have to count the euros and European Union, the country of France, and we have to write down the answer here. So first we have 5, 5, 5, 5, and 2, 2, 2. And the answer is 26 euros. And next is 20, 10, and 5. And the answer is 35. And next we have where these and then O and means it is 32 euros. And next we have the answer is 40 euros, means 40 euros. And here we have the answers of this question. Now the next question here is answer according to the given model. You have to answer it according to this sentence. And A is elle est français. Is she French? And the answer is no, elle n'est pas français. She is not French. Elle est belge. She is Belgian. The nationality is given here and you have to frame according to it. Il est musicien. Is he musician? And chanteur means singer is given in the bracket. So no, il n'est pas musicien. Il est chanteur. No, he is not musician. He is singer. Elles ont grand. Are they tall? And petit means small is given here. So no, elles ne sont pas grandes. Elles sont petites. No, they are not tall. They are short. Next is vous êtes Canadien. Are you Canadian? And Swiss is given here. No, je ne suis pas Canadien. Je suis Swiss. No, I am not Canadian. I am Swiss. Next is tu as 20 ans. Are you 20 years old? No, je n'ai pas 20 ans. No, I am not 20 years old. J'ai 10 ans. I am 10 years old. So here we have answer for this. And in this, trouve les phrase. You have to frame sentences, jumble sentences given over here, and you have to frame it. Let's see the answer of this. And here we have the answers. First is, j'habite à Rome et toi? I live in Rome and you. Next is, tu es indien? Are you Indian? Next is, nous ne sommes pas mauriciens. Next is, je n'ai pas 10 ans. I am not 10 years old. Next is, il est grand et intelligent. He is tall and intelligent. And next here, we have to listen and observe. So as you already know that the last consonant of some of the words we don't pronounce, some are muted consonants in French. So let's see how we pronounce these words. This is allemand, allemande, américain, américaine, chinois, chinoise, espagnol, espagnol, français, française, indien, indienne, Swiss and Swiss. So this is it for this video. The listening part, you have to do it by your own. So if you really like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.